Our Origami Cicada is going to be a little simpler than the crane. To start, we're going to fold the paper in half diagonally with the white side facing in, colored side facing out. Give it a nice sharp crease. Then take one side, fold it in along the center line, down, and repeat on the other side, making a nice diamond shape with two wings. Should look something like this. Take one of the wings and fold it down about halfway at a slight angle, so the point is a little off center from the point of the diamond. Repeat on the other side. As you can see, the angle is a little off at first, but it's a simple adjustment and fix. Then, taking the top layer from the top part, fold it down so it comes about 3/4 of the way down to the bottom. Take the next layer and fold it down a little higher, creating a nice layered effect. What I like to do here is flip it over and fold in towards almost the center line, and repeat on the other side so they're just touching or almost touching. This gives us our cicada, and all we have to do at this point is add some eyes. If you fold the top corners in, like so, you get nice little eyes for your newly finished Origami Cicada. If you crease it gently on the top, it'll give it a little bit of a more three-dimensional shape. You can then put it on display, share it with your friends, or give it to a family member who might appreciate it.